Once upon a time, in the vast and mysterious space, there was a little star named Lúmina. She lived near a very special place called the solar system. Lúmina loved to gaze at the planets spinning around the bright, shining sun. She wondered what they were like. So one day, she decided to go on an adventure to discover more about them. Lúmina's first stop was Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. It was incredibly hot there, so hot that the clouds couldn't survive. Wow, she thought. It's too hot for me. After taking a quick look around, Lúmina flew on to the next planet. Next, she arrived at Venus. Venus was covered in thick, swirling clouds that trapped heat, making it feel like a giant oven. This place is so hot and mysterious, Lúmina said. I think I'll keep going. And so, she continued her journey. Soon, Lúmina reached the beautiful blue planet Earth. She was amazed by how special it was. There were lush forests, sparkling oceans, and soft, fluffy clouds in the sky. Lúmina knew this was the only planet where life could exist. She saw animals playing and children laughing. This is my favorite place, she thought, feeling happy and warm inside. Lúmina then flew to Mars, the red planet. Mars was a cold, dry desert with a rusty red surface. It's very quiet here, but maybe one day humans will visit, she thought, before heading farther into the solar system. Her next stop was Jupiter, the biggest planet. Lúmina was amazed by its size. Jupiter was so huge that it could swallow hundreds of Earths. It had a giant red storm swirling on its surface. What a powerful planet, she said, flying in awe around it. Lúmina continued her journey to Saturn. She was mesmerized by its stunning rings made of ice and dust, shining like jewels. She felt as if she were floating through a magical place, surrounded by sparkles and light. After Saturn, Lúmina flew toward Uranus and Neptune, the cold, distant planets. Uranus was tilted on its side, and Neptune had a deep blue color that looked frozen. These planets are so far from the sun, Lúmina thought. They seem so peaceful and still. When her journey was complete, Lúmina looked at the whole solar system. She saw the planets all spinning around the sun. Each planet was unique, full of mystery and wonder. Lúmina smiled, happy to have learned so much about them. She returned to her home in the sky, feeling wiser and more content. She knew that even though the solar system was huge and full of surprises, Earth would always be her favorite place. It was the only planet where life could shine as brightly as she did. And so, Lúmina continued to shine in the sky, sharing her adventure with the stars.